Meditation and Its Methods is a book written by the Indian monk and spiritual leader, Swami Vivekananda. The book provides an in-depth look at the practice of meditation, including its various methods and techniques. In the book, Swami Vivekananda explains that meditation is a means to achieve spiritual growth and self-realization, and that it is a powerful tool for the mind to achieve focus and clarity. He also states that meditation can be practiced by individuals of any religion or belief system and that it does not require any specific set of beliefs or dogmas. The book provides an overview of different meditation techniques, including concentration, contemplation, and self-analysis, and explains how each technique can be used to achieve a different goal. For example, concentration is used to develop focus and clarity of the mind, while contemplation is used to explore deeper spiritual truths. The book also covers the importance of the guru-student relationship in the spiritual development and the importance of the right attitude and devotion in the practice of meditation. Overall, the book provides a comprehensive guide to the practice of meditation and its various methods, making it a valuable resource for those interested in exploring the benefits of this ancient practice. Please note that this is my understanding of the book, but I have not read it. But it is one of the important books of Swami Vivekananda.